Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, and again 8 minus 3 is equal to also 5. Now 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first priority is parenthesis, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so 8 minus 3. Now solve this parenthesis. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, so here is a multiplication and here is subtraction. First priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so 8 now minus 3 multiply 5 is equal to minus 15. So now 8 minus 15 is equal to minus 7. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 7. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.